Can we admit that cancer vaccination is the OG for preventing cancer? Let's talk about it. Vaccines have revolutionized healthcare by providing protection against various diseases, including some types of cancer. In this video, we'll be exploring different types of vaccines every woman should consider to reduce their risk for developing cancer. And if you feel like this is something you'd be interested in, please watch till the end. Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health and everything in between. And if you are just setting your eyes on this beautiful face, on this melanin popping babe, do well to click on the subscribe button down below. Do not forget to like, comment, share all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Number one is HPV vaccine. HPV, which is human papilloma virus. HPV is the most common sexually transmitted infection and a leading cause of cervical cancer, as well as other cancers like anal, vagina, vulva, and oropharyngeal cancer. This vaccine is very effective in preventing the most common type of HPV that causes cancer. So in other words, if you indulge in this vaccination, it will reduce your chances of having any of the cancers associated with HPV. And this vaccine is recommended for girls and boys starting at age 11 or 12. So if you have never been vaccinated of HPV, please ensure to indulge in that vaccination. Number two is HBV, which is Hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B virus infection is the major risk factor for liver cancer, and this virus can be gotten from sexual contact with infected person, blood and body fluid from infected persons. It can be gotten from mother to child, through pregnancy, through labor, and even during breastfeeding. So being vaccinated for hepatitis B can provide long-term protection against this infection and even subsequent liver cancer. This vaccine is recommended for all infants at birth. If you are an adult and you have never been vaccinated against hepatitis B virus, please ensure to go get vaccinated, especially those who are at risk or even exposed to this virus. Number three is cervical cancer screening. This is not a vaccine. Regular cervical cancer screening is essential for early detection and also prevention of cervical cancer. Pap smears and HPV tests are used to detect abnormal cervical cells and even HPV virus or even HPV infection. This in general allows for early detection, prevention, and even treatment. So if you're a woman, please ensure to book an appointment with your GP or healthcare provider and discuss appropriate screening schedule based on your age, medical history, and risk factors. In conclusion, vaccination play a crucial role in cancer prevention and also protection for various viruses and even infections that can cause cancerous conditions. Every woman should prioritize their health, and by doing so, you should ensure to get vaccinated. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Talk with your healthcare provider to determine the best vaccine and also screening for you. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have found this video really interesting, do well to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to click on the like button, comment down below, subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. Till I come your way next time, same channel, different video on a later date. I remain your nurse Pep, and bye guys.